Welcome YouTube family to this amazing community where bold ideas meet smart strategies. If you're new here, you're welcome. I share tips on making money online, finding remote work, and mastering useful tech skills. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Now let's jump right into today's video. Can you imagine earning $15 an hour just by reviewing content? If you love AI, machine learning, or using creative tech tools, you are in the right place. Stay right here. I'm about to break down everything you need to know to get started today. Welcome guys to another video, and as you can see displayed on my screen, Outlier is currently recruiting remote workers to work in the United States. So if you're living in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, then you can apply right here on Outlier. All right, so how much can you really make from this job as a remote AI content reviewer? You can make up to $15 an hour to work on this project. All right, so I'm going to be walking you through on the requirements and how you can apply. So you can see what you will be doing here. You can adopt a user's mindset to produce natural data to meet the realistic need you have or would use AI for. So right, so you have to use your natural mindset to produce different prompts that look realistic. All right, then also you have to evaluate AI output by reviewing and ranking responses for language models. All right, thirdly, contribute across project depending on your specific skill set and experience. All right, so if you have all these skill sets on how to use AI to rank different model responses, all right, you can definitely work on this job. Then also, what are the skill sets that is required for you to apply for this job? Firstly, analytical and problem-solving skills, ability to develop complex professional-level prompts and evaluate nuanced AI reasoning, strong writing, clear, concise, and engaging writing to explain decisions and critique responses, attention to details, commitment to accuracy, and ability to assess technical aspects of model output. All right, so if you have all the skill sets, then you are good to go. All right. Then this project pays $15 per hour depending on your experience, and also this project is an independent contractor job, so that means you can apply as an independent contractor. All right, so I wish you guys all the best. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. LinkedIn app. All right, so if you're also living in the United Kingdom, if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing different locations in the United Kingdom that you can apply for this job. All right, so you're going to come over here and click on the apply button, and also you can be rest assured that you can be paid $15 an hour also if you're living right here and the United Kingdom. So I've checked most of all the opportunities right here. So mostly if you're living in the United Kingdom, you have opportunity to apply either as a content editor or as a home remote writer. All right, so also you are going to be adopting users mindset to produce natural data to meet the realistic needs you or would use AI for. Evaluate AI output by reviewing and ranking responses from large language models. Contribute across project depending on specific skill set and experience. All right, so the same skill sets that you need to apply for this job are: you must have analytical skills, and also you must have strong writing skills, and also you must pay attention to details. All right, so and this job also is an independent contractor job, and also you can be paid $15 an hour. So I'm going to be dropping the link on how you can apply for this opportunity on my comment section. So do well to like this video, so that you can get more opportunities like this. And also kindly subscribe, share this video so that more people can benefit from what I am sharing on this channel. So thank you for kindly staying true to the very end of this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my very next one. Enjoy.